Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks for joining. This video, we get a ton done and we get the trailer out for the first time, so I'm really excited to share it. We get the ceiling, the walls, all the electrical done, the sink, and then we get out and camp. It's not fully finished, but it was out in the woods and we had a great time, so hopefully you enjoy the video. Got my shore power and my solar plumb through the side of the trailer. Just kind of down there where no one will notice. And then that comes into the cabinet where the power bank will be. And that way when I plug in a shore power, I can just plug this into the power bank charger. And then we have power, unlimited power there. Or I can plug it straight into these extension cords and have the power to the microwave and different things that we want to have power to, or all of it plugged into the power bank. So we'll clean these up. Just did a 2-inch hole there and then a 3/4 inch hole there. Push to the side into our power cabinet. And now we just got to clean it up, vacuum and all that. But overall, pretty happy with how it turned out. I probably would have put them up front here, but with this aluminum being all messed up from it being jackknifed from the previous owner, eventually I'm going to want to replace all that, so I didn't want to put it on it. That way it's just a quick replacement. Okay, windows are in, both sides. Flooring's in. I put this little partition strip right here on the back. Finished off the flooring real nice. And cabinets are in. We got the switch panel in. We got some few things stubbed through the side. But overall coming together. We just got to finish up the roof, lights, and all the electrical. So I just used this template here to map out the front of the trailer and then cut out the butcher block. I have cardboard on it so it doesn't get scratched, but really happy with how tight I was able to get it with using that template. All right guys, I didn't film much just because it's a bunch of wiring, but I ended up going with this Nightlight 8 panel or 8 switches panel just because we needed that much. I have one spare, but overall pretty happy with how it turned out. I did this one so I could run multiple power sources. So we have 3 DC inputs on the power bank that's going to go right here. So I wanted to utilize each one so I wasn't overloading anything. So this switch panel allowed me to do that, where I could put each, there's 3 on each thing, and then the last one has 2. So that way it's kind of spread out and it's not pulling too much on each one. But overall turned out really good. Lots of wires, but happy with how it turned out. And then obviously our cut, not isn't perfect, but once that sits in, it covers everything. So overall, pretty good. We'll run some grounds, and then we'll get everything else wired up and vacuumed and cleaned up. The water tank that sits in the front of the trailer, we cut a hole and put this fill cap in. So you just unscrew that. You can put your hose in there, and then that piece connects to that, and then that hose runs to our water pump, and then we'll cut in our sink here. But that is how we're gonna do water. Okay, lots of progress made. We're out camping. Here's our little deck. We got little legs that extend to hold it. And we still got to put the backsplash in and get the beds in, but we wanted to take it out. So everything's working. The fridge is down to 32 degrees. Microwave works. And we're out camping. So super fun project. There's still more to come. And really excited about a few of the other features we're going to do for a bathroom and a shower on the exterior on the other side. But overall, super fun, and just happy to be out here.